This is a book from former Supreme Court nominee Clarence Thomas called Strange Justice, The Selling of Clarence Thomas. And we're going to go ahead and drill straight into this book. I'm going to go right through the man's eyeball and into his skull. Here we go. There's one eye. Here comes the second eyeball. Yeah. Well, let's go ahead and drill into this woman's eyes right next to her, whoever this woman is. I don't even know, I don't even care. Right into her eyeball there. And eyeball number 2 coming up. Yeah, there we go. That's what I'm talking about. So here are their eyeballs drilled. As you can see the circles.